What's up, guys? Marten here. Someone from the comment section said that I should take some Ritalin to get more enthusiastic. So I took a pill this morning, so we'll see how this will turn out. Nah, just kidding, but today there are reasons to be enthusiastic, so I thank you for the feedback. And many cryptos are up today, including Bitcoin. And in this video, we will take a look at what happened to Electroneum and Monacoin, because we had two new breakouts here to report, and I think you'll like this. So let's begin with Electroneum. This is the 5-hour chart, and Electroneum is right now up a whopping 29% against Bitcoin. Not too shabby, right? So you might ask here, what happened to the bull flag? We were about in this area 2 days ago, and then we were talking about this lower trend line, and we might head even further south before we get solid support. And that is basically what happened. Down here around 160 Satoshi, we formed this very nice engulfing sign here. And then we continued to the upside, touched the upper trend line, then fell back again. But here we got the real breakout during this 5-hour candlestick, and look at this continuation. Very nice here. And we are really above the high here from about 2-3 days ago. We've been above it here, and potentially we could get a sort of a cup and handle formation here, so we might get a little low here and go back up. But I wouldn't count on that. It does look very bullish right now, and there's not a lot of resistance right here in the near term. So it does look super strong right now, and you might ask yourself, what about the volume? Yeah, that's a good question, because 2 days ago when we looked at the volume, it was really nothing to look at, and that's the same case here. We get a little volume bar here, but this is from Cryptopia, but that's only one of the exchanges where Electroneum is being traded. So what we need to do here is we need to go here to CoinGecko and look at all the exchanges together. So here's the volume bars down here, and here's the latest action to the upside. So we can see that the volume is following pretty nicely here. So overall, I'm not worried about the volume here. It does look pretty good. Now let's go back here to the daily chart. What can we expect next here for this coin? And I do have two targets here. The first one is this black horizontal line here. There's a lot of resistance in this area around 260 Satoshi. You see here, 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 and here. And right now we are trading at 239. So it's just a little bit further up here. And if we will take out 260, my next target is the next Fibonacci level at 365, which is up here. And that is the peak we had from, let's see, what is that? That is April. So very interesting here how this will turn out in the very near term. So I'm very bullish for today, perhaps tomorrow as well. But you might ask yourself, what about the RSI? Is it too high here? That is a good question. Here it is. And we can see that it's been up here at 92 and then fell back to around 75, and now it's going up again. But I don't see it too weird for it to go back to 92 or even higher, because it does look very bullish in my opinion. But you should always look at the RSI or the wave trend that I'm usually using. So that is it for Electroneum. And now let's head over to Monacoin. And here is the 8-hour chart. And what happened yesterday was that Monacoin broke out from the bull flag. And we can see the breakout right here from this large engulfing sign. We got support down here at this Fibonacci level 7,700 and form a nice bottom here. And that has continued, but not as strong as Electroneum, not as strong. But there's still a nice chance here of a continuation, yeah, more or less a moonshot here. So the first thing we should look for is to take out this high here from about overnight. And then if we can head up further here, there's a lot of room to grow here. And let's head over. Well, actually, look at the volume here. I would like to see the volume increase. We get pretty nice volume here. We went up and touched the average, and this is only from Bitrex, but it wouldn't hurt if the volume would increase here. So that would definitely strengthen our bullish case here for the near term. And when I say near term, it's the next day or so. So let's look at the daily chart here. And here it is. So the bigger picture with the Monacoin, it's ranked number 70 right now in terms of market cap. So it's a fairly big coin. And I do have 3 targets here. The first target, 25,800. And that is where we closed about 5-6 days ago, right here. See where this green bar closed. And that is corresponding here where we had a lot of resistance in this area over here. And that's also a Fibonacci level. So that would be the next target on the daily short. But the target 2, that would be the 200-day moving average, which is this blue line right here. And that is up at around 33,000. Finally, the target number 3, that would be not that much further up, but the peak we had in August. So that is up here at 35,000 Satoshi. And you see the nice move we had in just one day. So I'm not ruling out a similar continuation here if we will get some momentum with some volume kicking up. And there's a lot of upside potential here when we look at the wave trend, which is similar to RSI. And we're right now here at 0. So this could easily head up here to 40 or even higher. So I'm pretty optimistic here if things will help us on the way in terms of the volume. And that is it for this analysis. But I just have to ask you guys, since you were asking about my enthusiasm, what about you guys? Are you enthusiastic now about the market? Give me your thoughts in the comments and have a great day. Bye.